So it's October 17th, 2025. After starting my Tiara's trading diary yesterday, y'all, I'm upset. I done messed around today and done broke my rules, y'all. And done blew my account. I started that account, my personal live account. I started that account with $2,300 last month, about a month and a half ago. And I grew it to about 8,000. That's including taking out a little over 2K in withdrawals. And all from breaking my rules. All from breaking my rules. I ended up taking a trade that someone called out in the Telegram group. A multimillionaire trader, a very successful trader, and just waking up at 1:30 in the morning, seeing that alert, and just placing the trade. Because I knew gold was buying, but I knew it was time for a retracement soon. But I still ended up taking a trade. 1:30 in the morning, something that I never do because I can't sleep when I'm in a trade. So I was up all night trying to manage that trade. It's just dumping lower and lower and lower. I didn't have a stop loss. My biggest mistake. Number one mistake right there. I should have put a stop loss. But got a lot going on, so I'm thinking about the money. Another big mistake. But it is what it is. It is what it is. It not happened. Now I just have to, next week, just focus on my other account and get the capital back up so I can start trading back on my personal account again. It is what it is. I'm not blaming nobody. I was the one that hit the buy button. I broke my rules. That's what it all boils down to. I wasn't disciplined. I was impatient. But now I done learned my lesson. I will never, look at here. I would never do that again. And I know a lot of people probably like, man, look, you done blew $6,000. It's time for you to give it up. Nah. I'll never give up on trading because I know what it's going to do for me. See what I say? I know what it's going to do for me. Not, you know what I'm saying? I'm not if it's going to, I know what it's going to do for me. So I'm in this for the long haul. And I just want to share my story, man. The unfiltered, the raw version of trading, and not just all the wins, traveling, this, that, the third. Like, you go through some stuff in this trading life, for real. The emotions and all of that. So, say all that to say, I'm gonna keep going. I'm back at it. I'm not taking no breaks. I have another account. I'm gonna get some more accounts, and we just gonna keep at it until we get to that level that I want to be, and then I'm gonna keep going when I get there. Ain't no slowing down. So if you a trader, you struggling as well, and I wasn't even struggling. That's the thing, man. Like the past couple months, I've been killing it. Like I had losses, but my risk management been on point. But I don't know, my mindset today, it just wasn't there. My psychology just wasn't there. It was like a out-of-body experience, really, when I was looking at the trade go down. It's like I wanted to close out when I was at still at 4K in my account. But I was like, oh no, it's going to go back up. It's going to go back up. I should have closed out then. But it is what it is. I'm not going to dwell on it. I'm going to bounce back like I always do. I know how to trade. I know how to read the charts. It's all about my psychology and discipline now. That's it. So that's all I'm working on. I know I'm going to grow from this. Lesson learned for sure. Y'all, don't give up on it. Keep going. You will get there soon. We going to get there together. I'll see y'all at the top. I appreciate y'all. Alright, so I just wanted to hop on here real quick, y'all. Just to show y'all the mistake and what it cost me from breaking my rules. Do not break your rules. Do not break your rules. Because I still, just looking at this, looking at gold right now, I'm just, my mind, I'm like, ain't no way I took that trade. Yo, ain't no way I took that trade. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. I gotta suck it up, take that L, and just keep it moving. I just gotta lock in even more and make sure I don't do that again. I'm gonna tell y'all what I did. So, okay. As you can see, when it got up here, I saw that it had broke the previous high. And we came back, we did a retest. So around here, I was like, okay, we might be due for another pump. So I got in. Even though it had broke this here. Even though it broke this here. And then I kind of was looking at this like a double top, but I was like, let me just, trust my analysis or whatever. And let me see. So I'm on a 15-minute. So you come here to the 5-minute. Now, I didn't even mark this up. I had marked this zone up here, but if I would have marked, let me see. If I would have marked that up, that could have played out too, how I was looking at it. Excuse me. So, how I was looking at this, and this was at 1. No, I actually got in up here because it was at like 1 something in the morning because I had woke up out of my sleep. And I woke up out of my sleep and I got an alert from, I'm not blaming nobody. It's all on me. I was the one that pushed by. But I took someone's signal. That's a great trader, a millionaire trader. I took someone's signal and I just hopped in without even, looking at my chart, other than I saw that it had made, it got a little higher or whatever. So I just immediately got in, and then when I started looking at it, I said, okay, this right here can be my demand. When you get in the trade, you try to start like looking at the market how you want to look at it to make it fit. Make it fit your trade, like your trade is gonna play out. So this right here could have been a demand. It's a big demand. And then when I saw that it broke here, I should have been out. I should have been out the trade. And y'all, I know it's stupid, but I did not have a stop loss. And that's my number one of my number one rules. Use a stop loss, and also don't trade in the middle of the night, because I know once I get into a trade in the middle of the night, I can't go back to sleep. So I was up all night. I just went to sleep at like 10 this morning when I got taken out the trade. But look, okay, so right here I should have been out, but I saw this rejection from this zone here. I was like, oh no, we might be back in the game. So I held on to the trade. That's a no-no. Held on to the trade. I held on to a losing trade when I should have just let it go, called it quits. I would have still had my account. I would have still been up about like maybe, I think right here I was still up. I still would have had about 4,000 in my account. Okay, and I didn't over leverage. That's the thing about it. I just let my loser. It just ran for too long. So came down here. I was like, okay, we still rejecting. Here we still rejecting. 7 o'clock in the morning, taking my kids to school, and I saw this, and man, I don't know. My mind was just all over the place. I couldn't even think straight at that point. So I just let it continue to run. And I'm seeing that it's making these, on the 5-minute time frame now, it's making these lower highs and lower lows. It's making lower highs and lower lows. And I just, man, y'all, I'm so upset with myself because I knew better. But I tell you one thing. But if you look at gold on the higher time frame, it's still bullish. It was time for it to retrace. That's it. It's still bullish. So Monday, I'm locking in. I'm gonna wait until it settled down, whether it's gonna come here and go back up, or we come down here, or whatever the case may be. Come to this trend line, whatever the case may be, and I'm gonna catch it going back up to the upside on my other account. But I say all that just to say, stick to your rules. Stick to your rules. Do not break your rules. I promise. Every time I break my rule, every time I get into the market, like in the middle of the night, or take somebody else's setup, I lose. But when I'm patient, I show up every morning at 9:30 a.m. or at night at like between 8 to 10 p.m. during Asian session, and I wait for my setup to come to me, I win. So I'm upset at myself, but I know I can do it again. Like, that's not a problem. That's not an issue at all. I just gotta get the capital back up from my other account and make sure I'm super disciplined with that account to put money back into my personal live account. So it's all good. It's just a little setback for a major comeback. I promise you that. I'm not gonna give up. I know people probably like, man, she crazy. She just lost. Well, I could show y'all. I'll show y'all. I just wait. I'm gonna show y'all. But I lost in one day. Lord have mercy. Like $5,000 something in that one trade. I had two positions open. And I know people, a lot of people, 99% of people, this will be it for them. They'll be like, oh no, I'm done. I'm done trading. I gotta take a break. Something, no, ain't no breaks. I'm still going full force. I just know to stick to what I know. Just stick to what I know. Stick to my rules. Stay grounded, stay disciplined, stay consistent. Do the same thing every day. Show up every day and do the same exact thing. Rinse and repeat. That's it. You're not going to win them all. You're going to have slip ups. And the crazy thing is, I was so upset. I had told my fiance about it. And he was like, just calm down. It's going to be okay. And I thought about it. I was like, you know what? Every story that I've ran across from a successful Forex trader, all of them been through this. Like, they had, they came to a point where they were consistently profitable, doing good, and then they made that one mistake, made that one slip up, and they blew their account. But they didn't give up. They kept going. And then it's just, once you take a L like this is my biggest loss. So I know the comeback is really about to be crazy. So I'm not worried about it. And this is why you also have to have stable income. You have to have income coming in from elsewhere. Because until you grow your account to where your account can withstand these kind of pullbacks and this kind of drawdown, then you know what I'm saying, you need to have some other source of income. But yeah, man, it's all good. It's all good. We're gonna get it back. But that's it. I'm done ranting for the day. I just want y'all to see the raw of all the ups and downs. Trading Forex is not, marking up the charts is easy. That's the easy part. But when it comes to your psychology and your mindset and your discipline, you're not going to be perfect. You're going to have slip ups. So that's why I say, make sure you're watching your mindset and psychology videos. Just stay grounded, always studying and all of that, just to keep yourself disciplined. And just be patient with yourself. It's going to come. It's already here. Now, it's just on you and on me, on us, to really focus and lock in. Tune out everybody else. Tune out all the noise. And just focus and lock in on your strategy and what works for you. Whatever works for you, just continue to do that over and over and over. And we're going to get there sooner than later. But y'all, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like and share. Like and subscribe. Y'all, my mind, I'm still I'm still like upset with myself, but I ain't gonna beat myself up too hard. Cause I know what I'm doing. It is what it is. But y'all be blessed and have a great weekend.